Hello friends, well it is finally time to say au revoir to the Goblin Omni 1000 electronic. So in this video I'm going to give my final thoughts on it and we're going to see it in use. I've just been thinking about the amount of unbelievable effort that's gone in to saving this cleaner, not just on my part but on Jeff's part as well, to form some new wheels for it as well. All the work I did to it to service it, to find a new module for the electronics, cleaning it up, taking it apart, servicing it. I mean, it has been an unbelievable amount of work. All the hours that have gone into it, to this cleaner. And I kind of think to myself that even like, well, I suppose 20 years ago, certainly 30 years ago, you would never have bothered. You just wouldn't have bothered. Just the effort to get this machine back up to working in a really good condition. It's honestly, it's mind-blowing. I do wonder to myself whether it's actually worth it. Should I have just got the machine and just gone and just stored it somewhere? I suppose really, because it is so rare, that it has been worth doing, and it's really nice to have this cleaner. I'm not gonna sit here and say to you it's the best vacuum cleaner ever. By no means would anybody ever say those words, but I suppose, yeah, it's been worth doing. So really now we just need to see the cleaner in use. As you would have seen when I did the unboxing video, I got the hose and the floor tool for it. So we have original hose. The floor tool is actually in really nice shape. There's virtually no rust on it at all. There's an awful lot of cat hair on it now because my cat is molting at an unbelievable rate. She's just leaving hairs everywhere. Shocking. So yeah, that's all good, but I didn't have any rods, and I've managed to find a set of rods, and these are for a mid-80s AEG cylinder cleaner, and they fit perfectly well on the Omni. They are just perfect for it, so that's really good. At least we can use it now. And yeah, we've still got the problem of the speed control being backwards, but just, you know, I've spent enough time on this cleaner. I don't know what I'll do with it. I won't sell it or anything like that. It'll go into the collection, probably it'll probably go up in the attic actually, and just remain there for the next few years, I suppose. But yeah, anyway, that's enough waffling on. Let's see the machine in use. know if you could tell from the video there, but my God, it's really hard to use this cleaner. It's got an awful lot of suction on it. It's actually quite impressive, to be honest with you. But the floor tool does not glide at all. It just judders. You've just seen it juddering over the rug as I pulled it back. And if I push it forward, it just digs down. It's really, really hard to use. I think it would be much easier if it had some kind of turbo nozzle on it. Then it would just glide over the top. But I don't have one to hand, sadly. I think it would be interesting just to see how much dirt's in the bag. So let's just have a quick look. Just pop the top open. Oh God, it did quite well. Look at that. That's not bad. Unfortunately, I didn't have a paper bag for it, so we just had to use it bagless, or rather, just with the cloth bag. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Well done, Omni. So to conclude, then, the Omni is fine. It's working great. Yeah. I'm not going to use it anymore because I'm actually sweating now. It's it's quite hard work. So yeah. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to do the usual, commenting, subscribing and liking, because it really helps me out. And I hope you enjoyed this series of the Omni as well. I've enjoyed making it, and yeah, even though it's been a massive effort, I have enjoyed saving this cleaner because really it is one that did need to be saved. So until the next video, you guys take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.